ye be both different date ya for the sality ya kuma mampani.
Oh yes.
No. Look, ye bibia free mu. Enipa ya tete omo no. And yes, nipa ya tete omo no. Eni ebe yi omo bi no. Na ya di radio stations ya tutum ya di esisem. The same letter.
Na ya forwarding on back akoma.
Eni ya di ma omampani refer back to sender.
It was on for Ghana SMTVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. Then notification also so that anytime you post a video bit safe way no now say kai be ama share we share we so share why man share I share video no kra some more WhatsApp pages no so enti mun share na obi so be share bi e come there mamu no say na buy no call bibi anya yi enti e come there YouTube for any bloggers na Wontumi FM for omu be later Emma Mahama. And His Excellency John Mahama directly to John Mahama himself. We didn't call Julius Debra. Ye nimpaza ebia e call John Mahama hold on kind, but still they will take the pain to write a letter to John Mahama. Now I didn't letter. Letter there is simple. Mube kaya 2022 11th September. No, I mean 11th February 2022. His Excellency John Mahama, actual letter be Emma Onwani brother Akufo-Addo. Na uko letter nemo o can send back bi about the way John Mahama felt say radio stations are being closed, journalists are being in John Mahama's view persecuted. Saying that John Mahama believe say freedom of speech is under attack. And all those things. I'll catch a kufa do later no say, man penny say na then never no call there. One share ya. So I say my case of a human rights activist and I say lawyer no. A sell record. And man penny. Na John Mahama so or advice your man penny no or throw letter. I'm a man penny no. Now Wontumi radio for say. Esa letter uchroma Akufo-Addo no. The same letter umbefano omafano. Read the letter no. Letter no you are going to watch it and you are going to understand all the things John Mahama said. They are not going to add any new thing. What they will add, they will just change the name of the radio stations that have been closed just 8 months of your John Mahama's administration. And they will add the journalists who have been assaulted and beaten just 8 months of John Mahama's administration. And but the whole test, who John Mahama otinas actual, Emma Akufo-Addo no, they will send it back to you. It will be like a mirror to you. Sit down, drink water, take the letter. Letter I want to me for better or no. Take time and read it. And see if this is not you that you yourself were prophesying about on 11th of February 2022. Everything now we say Akufo-Addo here no. And because per your letter no, we see say bibisa esia say oman peninu na ni sanshim. Everything your mama say na Akufo-Addo here no enne onu na yebi. Onne eye west. TikTok for kwa ye arrest you. 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Mention one TikToker. I arresting or mind with not one. 8 months of Mahama. You have even lost count. You have lost count. You see who insulted President Grandpa. Work with him. Until later now I want to move for some very important. And we support them. You're ready. We all make noise about it. Very, very important. I'll leave you with a video. I'll see you in the next one. Makramo.
Send you say Ekoso a man. A bra or no, your mampany.
A bra or no, Akufo-Addo mampany. Na obey mampany. Yakumi sem training. He was referring to Ameswali.
Yachichin Central for Kum training.
Or he was referring to
Ameswali. Yes.
Say Yakuno. A bra or no, Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
Okay. There have been
several disturbing instances of harassment of journalists in the line of duty. We have witnessed media establishments close down on your instructions.
That's okay.
Despite many appeals.
That's all. Yet to a man, you and some traffic for Casa new. Yes, I caught you homo. Some training for Casa sing new. Yakwachi homo. I fed ye and confirmed radio no TV stations so my dear swap. Who to what share and penny for the man no say young to do some fidie no nyina
I abrea ya power
cho for power cho nyina
wo pa ya ma nyina chi no what say o se akufuado ya power cho so what say young to radio stations mo Ghana yankwe.
All right. Was it now in the space of less than 2 weeks 4 people have suffered police action criminalizing their right to free speech.
Now chimi enu ntempe enipa nan na press for akwachi wo mo ache say ye kom kasa bo ahye wo eyam wo kasa pe yesi abecho wo kan we yesi abecho now chimi enu ntem nipa nan
enya so ye kom kasa bo ahye yem keku amo criminalizing free speech say obi ekasa wo person ni to afiase
say no say o person enkasa kura nti wakasa de wakonya mane
e ka wo kasa de etia obi a enke e several matter but
we they are criminalizing no
yes
say ye do kotum
sa nti nko bi
akasa because we kasa tia wa na enya wo da wo de ko defamation akusa mi don damage
yesu de ya de approach for ni national security for ani yonko for ni abejo ti say de wakobokro no
okay
was it as attorney general at the time who led the repeal of the criminal libel law in order that citizens could freely express their views. It is unconscionable to be suppressing the rights and criminalizing the speech of citizens and journalists.
I say, wo benso na ya attorney general wo na ohwe ma ye yi emre bia so ko kasem bia se ya chew anya friend criminal libel law no free wo se de be ye na Ghana fo betumi akasa obi e ha wo mo enti ya nwanwa se ne ya obe mampani no wo mom na wodi animu na obi kasa na appreciate for kura no na ye twina bo so ti nwanwa papa.
All right.
O breso na sa ma no AC.
As it is even more worrying when the power of the state is used as a pilot tool in this intimidating endeavor.
Was it the who ne nwanwa kura ne awre ho ne se sansam se ba anke be fa mra kwan so ye be fa court so no na ya fa oman no bambofo te se police te se BN NIB te se national security and ye di hunahuna etata Ghana for open so.
Was it radio and TV presenter Captain Smart was dragged from court, and although he had been granted bail, sent into detention. Another radio presenter Ohinibabu Amabenye has also been incarcerated for statements he allegedly made. A civil society activist was arrested, detained, sent to court on criminal charges, granted bail, and yet detained again for making statement against you, President Akufo-Addo.
Captain Smart, no, no court, your man bail no no. Ohinibabu Amabenye, no court, say wakokasem, social media activists back on. Ono so no se wakasa tiawo o mampanin na na do danko Akufo-Addo.
As if to suggest insincerity behind the serious decriminalization of speech that you led, another radio presenter Bobiansa has been arrested, detained and charged, criminalized for speaking and making allegations against your wife.
Na asadi
this is John Mahama speaking.
Asadi wo kura no sa criminal libel na be yifro na enya kuma pem na ado be yifri ho no Bobiansa nsem training mo so akoka setia wo yire wo Akufo-Addo wa me ya che no
okay. Again last week security personnel linked to your party brutalized a radio presenter and producer in the city of Takoradi. Such lawless attacks have today become common occurrences in our country.
Na no na otwe atwa Bamba phobia omo ye wo party MPP fo you see omo ye MPP fo omo abawra radio station na radio presenter o ne producer dawuro ni Kwame Jesi akwachi omo abro omo
yo
brutal pa nyasem ketwa
okay. Was say President Akufo-Addo, you cannot continue to oppress the people, criminalize speech when these matters are essentially civil in nature. If you feel offended by them,
important.
Akufo-Addo
wontimi nkwaso hunahuna Ghana fo
yes
wontimi nkwaso emfa apolisifoɔ ne national security ne NIB-foɔ entata Ghana fo abra wo mokom asɛm sɛ obi ka asɛm fa ho na wosusu sɛ nipa no wakasa tiawo na eninti hawa ye wo mra mienu na wo Ghana ha ye wo criminal case and ye wo civil case where you civil anya criminal ne dia police for atata wo mo enti fanipa no court na dia hunhuna na wodi hunhuna wo no.
Okay, it is even more sad that the Journalists Association and its senior members, many of our clergy, it is even more sad that the Journalists Association and its senior members, many of our clergy and other moral leaders, scared because of the oppressive and dictatorial regime you are running, have remained quiet in the face of this disturbing development in our maturing democracy.
Enya yankani biaba
Kwaku
Ghana yawura kemam kabia ye kwa ya animu no dia awraho ne se yansam twerefo ane wo mpanimfo woni o ma yansam twerejuma che ya asofo ane animdifo mo manwe mu ankomo kasa kekoyie no o nya akoma no atum efiso mu suo wo wa yo kenkabi wa yo Nebukadnezar ento bi asuo so obeka wasem na wo ye de ope Ghana.
Okay, was it this is a dangerous blueprint you are fashioning for our dear nation, and it must not be encouraged. Your actions as president, your own direct accusation, your actions as president have totally discredited your self-acquired accolade as a human rights lawyer and activist. Ghana has long emerged from the
can I say a kind paragraphs chamber means
medasi or say this is a dangerous blueprint you are fashioning for our dear nation, and it must not be encouraged.
Was it where you sabone and a my or my cron Ghana?
I say so
Tantania we so cry o marry.
Your actions as president have totally discredited your self-acquired accolade as a human rights lawyer and activist.
Subanya wo dan this man penino. Ekutia wankasa. Was it I was so me be a human rights activist. Me dem be kasama nkrofo e mom nyom fa ahodie so no. We dey wa say no. What dey twitwi from crab. Subaya wada na di.
Ghana has long emerged from the unfortunate past where journalists were cowed by incarceration and brutalization.
Can you tibiana ni omuna? Some training kasa ni achina kwasha dem yetimi apru ni widie mo ani de na sie no. Ghana ya free sa suban no. Ada na usadi akom biu.
Your Mahama writing. I fear that if you do not take immediate action to arrest this unfortunate trend, when you exit in high office of president in January 2025, freedom of speech and free media will certainly not be counted as part of the legacy you leave behind.
Enipa fa ahudi e wodi kasa ani nsantwefo fa ahudi a omo wo no se ye ka niam a wuja na chira enu kwa de be ya film se ro de obae no wa be se no kra.
Your brother John Dramani
Mahama John Dramani Mahama ene kasa
me da mase bebre enti we ye yewura John Dramani Mahama letter otro de mampani akufado 2022
February 11
say asem otro go down.
Really about to send up.
Sakrata we Mampani Mahama Tron 2022 no and then 2025. Yeah, back to send that to Ghana Mampani. Okay. So we put it at his doorstep. Say oh no, and now instructed per his own logic. Say Wontumi radio.
Yeah. Time you betray na can do 11th September. So 11 February, but 11 September be what?
Ebetron is here. Okay.